So let's check out if this hive is honey bound. The hive itself is not honey bound because you can see that there are some empty frames on the sides, and that's where the honey store should be. But on the inside, these frames, the inside frames should be brood frames, but the brood frames also contain honey, which restricts the queen from laying her eggs. So let's see. Perhaps this is not an ideal situation. If you have a look at my other videos, then you can see what an ideal situation would be when the honey is on the outside frames and the brood is just on the inside.